Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Good day, you're welcome to Fusion Mobile e-learning class. My name is Bolaji. I'm here to speak on the subject mathematics, and the topic is number-based system 2. Now, in number-based system 1, we consider the definition and the conversions of different bases to another base. Now, we are going to be considering different basic operations in number-based system. One, we are going to consider addition, subtractions, division, multiplication in number-based system. For example, let's take this example under addition. Addition in number-based system. Addition in number-based system, example 1. Add 264, 86, 475 in base 9. Add 264, 86, 475 in base 9. Solution. The solution to this question is that we write 264, 86, 475. They are already in base 9. How do we solve this question? The first thing we need to know is that these are calibrated in base 9. So if you had 4 plus 6 plus 5, 4 plus 6 plus 5 will give us 15. In base 9, when you get 15, divide 15 by 9, we are going to have 1 remainder 6. 1 remainder 6. What you are going to write, you write 6. Then you carry 1 here. 6 plus 8, it gives us 14. 14 plus 7, it gives us what? 21. 21 plus 1 gives us 22. 22 divided by 9 because it's in base 9. We're going to have 2 whole number, remainder what? 4. What you are going to write, you are going to write 4. We consider this, the remainder. Then we carry 2 here. 2 plus 4, 2 plus 2, 4, plus 4, 8. So the answer is 8 forces in base 9. So in addition, in number-based system, is different from the normal arithmetic that we normally do in our junior secondary school. Because look at here, I say 4 plus 6, 10 plus 5, 15. Is in base 9. You divide it, 15 divided by 9 will give us 1 remainder 6. We copy the remainder. You carry the 1 here. Then 1 plus 6, 7 plus 8 will give us 15. 15 plus 7 will give us 22. You divide it by 9. You have 2 whole number, remainder 4. You write 4, you carry 2. 2 plus 2, 4, plus 4, 8. So this is the answer for the additions. I want to give you a few evaluations so that to test us of how far we are going in this basic operation using addition in number-based system. We are going to go further by solving questions on subtraction in number-based system. Subtraction in number-based system. Let's consider this example. Subtract 1, 1, 2, base 3 from 2, 2 to 2, 2, 1, base 3. Solution. Solution 2, 2, 1, base 3. 1, 1, 2. They are in base 3. We subtract. Now, 1 minus 2 is impossible. Borrow 1 from here. That will be 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, which is 4, in base 3. Here, which is 4 minus 2, which will now give us 2 in base 3. How? We borrow 1 from here, we have 2. 2 plus 2, 4. This is 2. 4 minus 2 will give us 2 in base 3. Now we have 1 here. 1 minus 1 will give us what? Is 0. Because 1 minus 1 in base 3 is in 0. Here we consider, because this is the third digit, so 2 minus 1 will give us 1 in base 3. So in base 3, using subtractions as one of the basic operations, we consider the last digit here and we make a reference on the third digit, not affecting the base 3. That is 2 minus 1 will give us 1. I believe you are convinced with these subtraction operations in number-based system. I would like you to solve few evaluations so as to know how far we have gone. Wow, I'm confident that you can solve more questions. Let us move forward by using a multiplication basic operation in number-based system, a multiplication basic operation in number-based system, multiplication in number-based system, a multiplication in number-based system. Example: multiply 214 times 5, all in base 8. This question is very technical, so we have to pay more attention to it. Multiply 214 by 5 in base 8. Solution to this question: 214 times 5, all in base 8. All in base 8. Now, 5 times 4 will give us 20. We have 20, and they said we should do it in base 8. So 20 divided by 8 will give us 2 whole number, remainder 4. So we consider the remainder, we carry the 2 here, we write 4, then the 2 is here. 5 times 2 will give us what? 10. No, 5 times 1 rather. 5 times 1 is 5, plus these 2 will give us 7. 5 times 1, 5, plus 2 will give us 7. 5 times 2 will give us 10 in base 8. That is one whole number, remainder 2. One whole number, remainder 2. Because it's at the last, the third digit here, we write one whole number, remainder 2 in base 8. So this is how we solve multiplications in number-based system. I believe you can solve questions. As we move ahead, I would like you to solve these few evaluations so as to know your capacity about these questions. Wow, I'm confident that you can solve more questions on multiplications in number-based system. Let us consider the last basic operation, which is division in number-based system. Division in number-based system. Division in number-based system. There is division in number-based system. Division in number-based system. Solution: divide 124 by 4 in base 8. Divide 124 by 4 in base 8. You will write like this: 124 by 4. Now, we all know our long division method back then in junior secondary school. Now, we have to apply that law here. Now, 4 divided by 1, which is impossible. 4 divided by 1 is impossible. So we have to consider the second digit, 1, 2, so that we can divide it. 4 divided by 12, that is 4 divided by 12, which is in base 8. But before we do that, we have to consider 1, 2. Remember when we were doing expansion in number base system 1, we use 0, 1 here, and they are in base 8. Therefore, 1 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 2 times 8 raised to power 0. So 1 times 8 raised to power 1 will give us 8 plus 2 times 1, which will give us 8 plus 2 will give us 8 plus 2 will give us 10. So these, they are in base 10 now. So it's easy for us to now divide. Because if it's not in base 10, we cannot divide. So we have divided by 4. Base 10 now divided by 4, because you can't divide base 8 by 4 easily like that. We have to first convert it to base 10. So after which you convert it to base 10, 10 divided by 4 will give us 2, because it will remain what? 2. So what is there is that we write 2. We write 2 because it's our remainder we're going to write down. In division, we consider our remainder, which is very, very important. Now, it remains what? 2 in this aspect. Now, if you bring your 2 down here, we have 24 in base what? 8. 24 in base 8. What is there is that you are going to first convert this to base 10 before we now convert it to, before we now divide it. When you convert it to base 10, then you will divide it by 4, which is equal to 2 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 4 times 8 raised to power 0. 2 times 8 raised to power 2 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 4 times 8 raised to power 0. We have 2 times 8, 16, plus 4 times 1 will give us what? 20 base 10. 20 base 10, divide it by 4. When we divide it by 4, 4 here 1, 4 here 5, without remainder. So the answer here is 25. Base what? Base 8. Wow. That is how we can divide numbers in terms of their bases. Maybe they say we should divide 1 or 3, 6, 4 base 8 in base 4. The first thing we need to just do is that every of our divisions must be in base 10. We will first have to convert it to base 10 before we now divide. Then put our remainder into recognitions. In number base system, we consider the remainder, then we carry the whole number. We consider the remainder. In my conclusion to this, I would like you to solve as many questions as possible concerning number base system using these basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions. But I would like you to still solve these following questions I want to give you so as to conclude this topic, number base system 2. Thank you.